Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto okwayo mondo tim lokruoge e riwruoge mag pinje maoko machiwo omenda kowacho ni ber ka inywako pach Jokanyo duto. Omedo ni chenro mitayo kata matiyo sani e sekta mar hola ochung' nyakonchiel kendo ok odewo dwach pinje madongore. Gino momedo ni biro konyogi wuok e bugo mar hola madiyo pinje mopogore opogore. Ne oloso e romo mar twak mar jotend piny ne oromo kanyo mar Africa CEO Forum manotimore e boma ma Kigali e piny Rwanda.
Everybody now agrees there is a problem. This international financial architecture is not fair. That's number one. Number two, already there is a realization that what we have been saying, that we need more concessional resources, there is already a convergence of thoughts. And I could see it last 2 weeks when we had the IDA conference in Nairobi, that there is now a greater realization that African countries, countries in the developing world need concessional, long-term, adequate resources. And number three, the World Bank, the IMF actually, has already come round. The SDR, special drawing rights, that initially benefited countries that did not need the money. Now, they have agreed that we need to rechannel the SDRs through our proposal was Africa Development Bank, because that way it will get to more developing countries like Kenya, Rwanda, and others, and it will get to those countries at concessional rates. And again, those resources can be leveraged so that we get more resources into our economies.